I sold pharmaceuticals in my past life, and it was in a long-term care environment. And what I found was there was a lot of corral, and to nobody's fault at all. It was just one of those things where how do you care for 50, 100 people as individuals? You really can't do it. So that was something, this Care Connect app and the way that it gives that person-centered care was one of the main features on why I chose Oasis. When we're sitting down and we're having these conversations with those families, it really comes down to going over this tablet system. Every place is the same. We're all about care. We're all surveyed by the state. We all have these same regulations that we have to go by. It comes back down to what makes Oasis different and what makes us set ourselves apart, and it would be this technology that, again, it allows us to give that person-centered care. So when I'm sitting down with a family and they're in crisis mode, may it be, it really kind of sets them at ease that they're gonna have all of their immediate information at my fingertips to their care plan, to know that when it changes, the staff has to acknowledge that there's a change. I had a lady that she was so fearful of showers. And it was a big thing for her to take a shower. There was a lot of behavioral expressions that came out. It would take 2 or 3 people to do that. I found that she loved Johnny Cash. She loved A Boy Named Sue. I could go into her apartment 10 or 15 minutes before the CNAs and I could turn on Johnny Cash, A Boy Named Sue, and her and I are bebopping in her apartment. And before you know it, my CNA's coming in and she's giving her a shower, and we have that song still on. Again, her mind now is focused on the song and a good time, not the scared action of taking a shower. When I'm sitting across the table from a family and I'm going over this app, it's immeasurable of what it's been able to do for our admissions process as well. As much as it's great, those admissions, they're coming in, we have a wait list at Oasis, we are full, but it's that quality of care. It really goes back to that quality of care. My name is Leslie Head. I am Director of Marketing Admissions for Oasis Dementia Care, and I've been there about 4 years.